Is your sink draining slow or smelling weird? Skip the harsh chemicals. Today, I'm showing you a super easy way to clean your drain naturally with just baking soda, distilled white vinegar, and boiling hot water. First, I poured a half cup of baking soda right into the drain. It might look like a lot, but trust me, it does wonders. I also added a half cup of distilled white vinegar and the fizzing reaction starts right away. Then I made sure to use the stopper so the gases were trapped and the acidity breaks down stubborn buildup and loosens all that hidden gunk. I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. That downtime is key because it gives the reaction a chance to really dissolve and lift out whatever's clogging the pipes. While I wait, I boil hot water so that I can fully clean all the bacteria down the drain. Now, when time comes, unplug and flush the water down fast. After a few seconds of cooling, I was able to pull out some nasty chunks that were stuck in there. So gross, but yet so satisfying. And just like that, your sink is fresh, clear, and working like new. If you found this hack helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for more quick and easy home fixes. Thanks for watching.